guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically color grade your videos when it is filmed during the golden hour time frame. So add in your video. It is actually super simple. It's like a 3-step process. Go to filters and add in this dispatch filter. So on your phone, it's going to be like the orange green filter, but since CapCut PC doesn't have that, I can just add in this dispatch one. It's pretty similar, but you want to tone it down a little bit because you don't want it to look that fake. Then selecting the video, go to adjustments, and you are going to just play around with the temperature. You want the temperature to be a little bit more yellow, so move it to the right. And for the hue, you want it to actually look a little bit green, like just to bring the green out. So we're going to move it to the left, and that is it. Pretty simple. You can adjust the contrast if you like to, and even the brightness maybe a little bit to show off these colors. Just play around with the lightness until it looks like, I don't know, it looks pleasing to the eye. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!